Hi, this is Jeff from Accurate Repairs. I just want to offer some information on Laser Clean and their services. We've been using them for about a year now. We used to clean everything by hand in our wash area. We've tried sandblasters, every chemical you can think of to try to get these things clean, and nothing works nearly as good as Laser Clean. They come back spotless. They look better than new in some cases. And it's been a fantastic experience and a great relationship that we look forward to continuing with Laser Clean.